Okay, so we'll have a look at question 18. This is a classic tree diagram question. We must always look into the information to see whether we're having a replacement or non-replacement type question. So, to start with, there are only red marbles and green marbles in the bag. There are 5 red and 3 green. Dwayne takes a marble from the bag, and he doesn't put the marble back into the bag. So, and then he takes at random, a second marble from the bag. We have the diagram to complete. In fact, there's some good clues in the diagram itself, because it shows us that the probability of getting a red the first time is out of 8, and the second time is out of 7. So that itself implies that the first pick was not replaced. So we just start on the first diagram then. If we had a 5 out of 8 chance of getting red, where there were 3 greens, you can just slightly out of shot there were 3 greens out of 8, so it'd be 3 out of 8. And again, your golden rule is to check these add up to 1. Now when we've taken a red out, there would be 1 red left from 1 less ball. So there will still be 3 greens as we picked a red, so the greens remain the same, but there are only 7 balls to choose from. So it changes the probability there. Now if our first pick was a green, then there will still be 5 reds left, but from 7 balls. And then finally, if we picked a green on the first throw, or the first pick, then there'll be 2 greens left from 7. So we have completed the tree diagram, and we'll pick up 2 marks from that. Now the second part of the problem that gives us more marks, in fact gives us 3 marks, says work out the probability that Dwayne takes marbles of different colours. So there's 2 ways that can happen. It can come from the red-green selection, or it can come from the green-red selection. So if I go down the red-green selection first, red-green, chance of that happening is 5/8, 5/8 times 3/7. But that's not the only way we can get different colours. We could get another way, so we have to consider all possibilities. So we add the next possibility, which comes from green-red, and green-red, which I'll mark in here and here, is 3/8 times 5/7. Interesting, we've got the same numbers, just the other way around. So we have 15 out of 56 plus 15. Right, I'll just go over that as you didn't see that. So we had 5/8 times 3/7 plus 3/8 times 5/7. So 15 out of 56 plus 15 out of 56 equals 30 out of 56. Now the question doesn't ask for it to be simplified, so you'll get all 5 marks if you give that answer. But can go a bit further with this. We can cancel that down to 15, and then half of 56 is 28. So either 30 out of 56 or 15 out of 28 will do. And again, the different colours then is red-green or green-red. Red and green means multiply, same for green and red. That will solve, that will be a possibility, or this will be a possibility that satisfies the condition. So after we've multiplied them separately, we then add them together to get our answer.